Kasama po natin ngayon, good afternoon muna tayo from Sports Corner PH. Welcome to you live from Muntinlupa City kung saan ginaganap na yon itong Illustre Cup 2025, and we have the head coach of Illustre East Aquatic and of course one of the coaches din ng ating national team, si Coach Ramil Illustre. Sir, magandang hapon. Welcome to Sports Corner PH.
Good afternoon din.
First of all, maraming salamat po sa pag-imbita sa amin na may cover natin itong Illustre Cup 2025 na taunang isinasagawa po. Maitulong natin dito sa grassroots program ng ating federation natin to help us sabihin natin mag-produce pa ng mas maraming grassroots swimmers. So, can you take us a look sa overview ng ating sinasagawang Illustre Cup? Ilan ba mga sumali na mga teams? Ilan ba mga participants coming from different cups? Siyempre kasama kayo yun sa Illustre.
Yes, we have 27 teams and we have 475 swimmers from all over the country.
Oo, and ilan clubs sa ngayon? Yung
27.
27. So, ano ba ang pinaka-main purpose ng pagkakaroon nitong Illustre Cup na ito? Knowing na, of course, lumalaki at lumalakas na yung ating grassroots program sa swimming at marami po tayo mga potential na swimmers na maaaring makapasok hopefully sa national team, and also, kailangan i-qualify sa mga iba't ibang competitions sa Coach Ramil.
Yes, itong swim meet na to, this is the first Illustre Cup. And we are hoping na yung mga coaches lalong magkaroon ng camaraderie. Then yung mga swimmers nila, kasi ABC to, kaya they are showing their talent dun pa lang sa mga grassroots, tsaka yung mga class A, B, and C, especially the class A.
And this is the first time na mag-organize itong ganitong klase competition at malaki ang turnout ng mga sumali dito sa iba't ibang mga categories, iba't ibang mga events from breaststroke, backstroke, butterfly, freestyle at iba pa. So, kamusta ang turnout natin at siguro ano ba yung naging overall preparations natin to deem itong successful event na ito?
Well, I thank all my friends and swimmers kasi this is it's like 6 months in the making. So we have a lot of time na ginugol namin dito just to produce, just to assemble this kind of meet. And we are very happy na maraming sumali dito sa meet namin.
Okay, so depende na lang sa magiging outcome ng mismong competition. Do you think magtutuloy-tuloy ito, magiging tauna na itong competition yearly, itong pagsasagawa na ito to help us dito sa grassroots program natin?
Yeah, we are hoping to have this kind of meet every year. And of course, depende dun sa mga supporters namin, kung talagang desidido sila na ulitin yung pagtulong sa paggawa nitong swim meet namin.
Okay, so currently you're the head coach of Illustre East Aquatic. So far, ano nga mga latest dito sa ating mga swimmers natin? Meron bang nag-qualify na for the upcoming palalong pambansa? At meron ba mga pumasok na sa national team doon sa CH group? Kasi may tryouts ito last week eh. So, would you tell us more about dito sa latest happenings sa inyong club mismo?
Yes, we have one swimmer which is Pam Santor.
Pam Santor, na-feature ko na yan sa isa sa mga posts.
She qualified in CH in Singapore next month, and we have 6 swimmers qualified sa palarong pambansa.
And bukod pa rito, tuloy-tuloy naman yung mga clinics dahil of course it's summertime at of course marami mga bata ang nagbabakasyon at of course they're interested na rin sa mga classes. So far, tuloy-tuloy naman yung ating grassroots program and of course sa mga clinics na rin sa Muntinlupa and other cities as well na sinasakupan nitong club ninyo.
Yes, tuloy-tuloy yung namin, yung grassroots program namin. So we have 8 years old, hanggang 10 years old na dinidevelop pa namin.
And bukod pa rin, mention na rin natin yung mga branches natin ng Illustre. Sir, Is Aquatic, yung...
Yes, we have one branch in Bilangonan, Rizal. So we're hoping to have another branch in Rizal, and we're still working out.
Sabi ng Olan kayo naka-base, no?
No, actually, we are based in Antipolo, and we have branch in Bilangonan.
Okay, Antipolo, saka Binangonan. At napakaswerte talaga na napunta sa Muntinlupa yung pagsasagawa dahil of course, ito kasi yung isa sa mga pinakabagong world-class venues natin pagdating niya sa swimming. Of course, sa Olympic Rise Swimming Pool nga na pwede niya gamitin sa iba't ibang mga competitions. Even Swim League Philippines, yan din yung taanan ng ating mga mismo mga iba't ibang mga competitions na rin. Lalo na, of course, the support of the LGU of Muntinlupa para may sagawa itong napaka-prestigyoso unang event na ito. Kumusta supportan natin ang ating mga sponsors and even the LGU?
Yeah, they're very supportive. We thank you, the Muntinlupa LGU, no, for giving us this very beautiful venue. I hope this is not the last time.
Okay, lastly, sa national team naman, you're still part of the coaching staff of the national team. At alam ko, marami kayong mga competitions na lalaukan sa inyo, sa national team. Of course, nandiyan ang ating mga standouts, peer heritage, and of course, the local standouts. So, anong aasahan natin sa ating national team natin as part of your job as a coaching staff is concerned?
Well, we are hoping to get more medal this coming CH group because these qualifiers are already, ang time nila is already bronze medal ng last CH group. So we're hoping na we will surpass the last CH group medal tally.
And bukod pa rito, huwag natin kalimutan, Southeast Asian Games, the World Championships ng World Aquatics, at marami pa mga abangan for the elite group na rin na mga competitions na rin. We will update you guys sa mga susunod natin na mga posts. Anyway, sir, I have limited time lang ako dito kasi meron pa ako mga ibang events na pupuntahan. So siguro, ang inyong pasasalamat na lang sa lahat ng mga taga-suporta ninyo for this successful na Illustre Cup. At panawagan na rin na sana makahabol sila sa mismong competition kasi magdamag-daman niya.
Anyway, thank you so much sa lahat ng mga teams na sumali dito sa Illustre, and also very thankful ako sa mga parents and swimmers na talagang tumulong, and also the sponsors, and also the Mandaluyong LGU to
Muntinlupa LGU.
Muntinlupa LGU. Okay, that's it.
Alright, thank you Coach Ramil and hoping for the best. At sana mamaya may post natin kung sino ang overall champion natin. May the best team and swim and win, and good luck sa lahat ng mga sasali pa at magkakamedalya nga. God bless po. Maraming salamat.
Thank you.